Beginning today, jury selection will begin in the second murder trial of Karen Reed.
She's accused of running over her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe, and leaving him to die in a blizzard in 2022. Reed's legal team says she was framed. NBC 10's Kennedy Buck joins us live outside Norfolk Superior Court in Dedham with the new rules laid out by the judge. Good morning, Kennedy.
Hey, good morning, Mario and Allison. Judge Beverly Cannoni is overseeing Karen Reed's second trial, and yesterday she ruled on the type of defense Reed's legal team will be able to use. Up to 150 witnesses could possibly take the stand once the trial is fully underway, including the two men Reed's attorneys claim could have had something to do with John O'Keefe's death. The strategy of pointing the blame at someone else is called the third-party culprit defense. Reed's legal team wanted to point blame at three men who testified at Reed's first trial, but Judge Cannoni will only allow the defense to use two of them, Brian Albert and Brian Higgins. We spoke to a legal expert on what this means for the new trial.
Question for the court was, is there actual probative value that these third-party culprits may have committed this crime, or is the defense just trying to muddy the waters and confuse the jury? And the judge seems to be leaning towards, no, this is just confusing the jury. So she's allowing them potentially to point the finger at two third-party culprits, but they're not allowed to mention it in an opening statement, and they have to flesh out their arguments throughout the trial before she's going to let that in.
Now, Reed's lawyers will only be able to use this defense strategy once a jury is chosen. And coming up in the next half hour, I'll explain how this process could take weeks to complete. Live in Dedham, Kennedy Buck, NBC 10 News.